Welcome back to another L on the Moon Craftcast podcast, whatever I'm calling it. I've been so busy lately. It's fall, my favorite time of the season. My friend came down and visited me. You just saw her in my picture there. I've been busy with menopause still and feeling kind of crappy some days, but I have worked on a number of projects. I have a new tutorial coming for y'all on Friday. It's a sweater tutorial, crop sweater again, because I have bad ADHD, that I rarely make really lengthy, long sweaters. Everything's cropped because of I'm overheated all the time. And because I have no attention span, maybe you can relate. Try out this from the Stitch Dictionary. It's coming quite along. Here's the motif. Working on a pattern. So you know how some people stress eat or bite their fingernails or drink when they're stressed, any other maladaptive behaviors? I stress skate. And because things are so stressful with politics and in general in the world, the state of everything, potential of another Trump presidency here, I've just been skating obsessively and making a artistic skating rendition to the Journey song, Don't Stop Believing, just to get through my days and to de-stress.